Hey guys, welcome back. So I have another video, and this is totally inspired by this YouTuber. I forgot her name, but I will link her. I will put her link in the description bar. And I followed her tutorial and I loved it. I was like, oh my God, love, love, love. So I'm definitely making a lot more of these book cards, I guess they're called. But I like calling them all these fancy folk cards. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And of course, I'm using Alinacutle dies. And there you go. Isn't she beautiful? And I know, guys, don't get tired of her. She's just too cute. So that's this side here. And I'm using the doll again. And this time I added what's this thing called again? Oh my God, I always forget. Oh God, you know what this is called. That is totally inspired by Gloria. She's crafty cakes, and I thought it was so cute to add that. I forgot what it's called. I always forget what that's called. But anyway, this card is like what are those cards called? Like a shadow box. And what you can do is in each slot, you can add something. You see, I only added the banner and this. The flowers, I added it to the front. But you can do, like, let's say you wanted to add another piece. Let's say this is cut in half. Just an example. And you wanted to put it here and here. And then add stuff on top. You can do that. Because you can put your pieces in each slot. And it's perfect because you glue that edge, put it in a slot. You glue the other edge and put it in that slot. But I only added this piece here and the banner. But you can do whatever you want. And and when the person gets it, it stands. It's a book. And then it stands. And look how pretty. And this just looks so, so beautiful. And guys, it's the easiest card to make. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make the base itself. And you guys can decorate it however you want. I'm going to maybe add trimming here. I just decorated pretty fast because I wanted to do the video. But let's get started. Okay. You're going to need, for the base itself, you're going to need one sheet of cardstock that measures 12 by 7.5. Okay. And I'll tell you the scorings in a minute. You're going to need 2 sheets of 7 by 7. You're going to need 2 pieces of 5 by 7. Okay, so with the big piece, the base itself, you are going to score it at 5 3/8. Okay, you score that. Obviously, mine is already scored to save time on the video. You flip it and you score again at 5 3/8. You fold. And you have your base. I will write all this in the description bar anyway, okay? So we'll put that one on the side. Next, the 2 pieces that is 7 by 5, you're going to score at every 1/2 inch. So every 1/2 inch we're scoring, okay? And you're going to do that to both pieces. So we're scoring at every 1/2 inch. You put that on the side. Your square piece, which is 7 by 7. Okay. Again, you're going to score at every 1/2 inch. Obviously, I already did that. See? Every 1/2 inch. That is it for your scoring, guys. Once everything is scored, you're going to take those pieces and you're going to start folding them like you would do a rosette. Okay? So I'm gonna fold everything and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So once you have all your pieces folded, like we're gonna do a rosette, but we're not. Take them, you take your bigger piece, okay? So you hold that. You take your smaller piece and you squish them. And hopefully you guys can see this. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in between each section. So you see how it's going in between each section? Okay. And once you have it all, do not skip. Make sure they're all in with each other. You squeeze it down. Okay. And then you got that. This is the part where you can put glue or sticky tape. I'm going to use glue. So what you do is you lift this piece up and you lift this piece sideways. And you want to put glue or your sticky tape right here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Then you take this flap and you fold it down. That's why it's probably better off with sticky tape, but I was not in the mood to start cutting pieces. Then you take glue and you put this glue right here because you're going to lower that flap down. And then just hold it in place. Clean your little extra glue. Squeeze it really good. And hold it. Okay. Now you're going to turn it around because we're doing the same thing to the other side. So lift and lift and add glue there. Oops, sorry. Lift this one down, add glue, and lift this one down. And just make sure you got it all squished in together. And clean your excess glue and hold on to it. And trust me, guys, this is so easy that you're gonna be like, wow. Okay. Once that is done and it's nice and stuck, squish everything and we're gonna do this piece. And I want to show you again how it is. Just holding on to it to make sure it's dry. Okay. So you take your pieces, fold them all together. Okay. And you see how open and open? You want that. So again, we're going to put them in between each open spot. Do not skip. Make sure you have it all there. You see? And then squeeze and push in. Okay. Push in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Once you have it all in, again, we're going to lift, lift, add your glue or your tape. Okay, this one down, add your glue, and then this one down, and still kind of keeping it all together. Squeeze, take all that extra out. Okay. It's going to be probably a long video. Ugh. Okay. Then turn it. Squeeze everything together. Lift. Lift. We're adding glue. Okay, so we're adding glue just to that section. Push down. Glue again. Push down and squeeze. And just squeeze, get rid of all that extra glue. That's why you're probably better off with tape, because it's just boom, 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 and that's it. But here, obviously, I have to hold it until it's glued. Okay. Now we got these two pieces down. Okay. Now we're going to do the other piece. Again, push them all together. All together. Same thing. You want to go in between each little like teeth. Okay, and once you got it, push, push, make sure they're all together. Push, push, push. Okay. Lift, lift, and glue. Push down and glue. Push down. Get rid of that extra. Sorry. Turn it around. Same thing. Lift, lift, and glue. Okay. Push that piece down. Add your glue. And push that piece down. Get rid of all that extra glue. Okay. Now we're going to do the last piece. Just want to hold it, make sure it's glued. Okay, same thing. Our last piece. Again, make sure each piece is in between each little section. Oops, see how it came out? There you go. Squeeze in, in. Make sure they're all together. Oh, great, this piece came out. I will glue it in a minute. Lift, lift, glue. Push down, glue, push down. Okay, oh my goodness, almost 13 minutes yet. This is one of my longest videos. Okay, this one came apart because obviously I wasn't holding it too much. So I'll just glue that piece there. Okay, flip it, lift, lift, glue. Glue inside right here. Push this one down, add more glue. Push this one down. Squeeze. And obviously I'm trying to rush because it's a video, but when you're doing it, you take your sweet time and you wait for that glue to really get stuck. Okay, let me just glue this piece back that came apart. Let's glue this back. And that is it, guys. Once you have that, you are good. You did your base. This is your little shadow box section. Okay. Now what we want to do is take your base and we're going to glue it to your base piece. This is the part where if you want to put a paper in the back, you see how I put a different piece of paper in the back? That's when you do that. But if you don't, that's when you just glue it. So I'm not going to do it just because I'm showing you guys how to do this piece. So add your glue. Add your glue. And here you add it to your base. And it's like I'm trying to do this without having my head in the video. Okay. Push that down. And you see, you already have your book. Now, obviously it's not glued completely. Just make sure it's really down. Okay. Once that is glued, it's your choice if you want to leave this open like that or if you want this piece stuck. You see, I made mine stuck. And all you have to do, obviously, is just glue right here. Just glue, glue. Add your glue. Push it down. Okay. And that is it, guys. You have your book. Obviously, I'm not waiting for that glue to dry. But once that is dried, then you can cover your piece. Let's pretend that's already dried, all right? So once that is done, you can add your piece to cover this piece here if you like. And then you start adding all the stuff inside to make it your little shadow box. And that is it, guys. It is super cute, super easy. So give it a try and you have your book with all those sections. So just imagine putting a piece of paper in all those sections and making them layered. And just decorate it and you have your little shadow box. Super cute. I hope you guys like it. I will put her video in the description bar. Go follow her. She's very sweet. And that's it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.